Another amazing 6-bedroom home here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. Katabi po ito nung house na pinakita namin last week, but this one's a little bigger. But the best part is, parang rent-to-own na lang po. Very minimal po ang ating down payment, as low as mga 250,000. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So ito po yung house na katabi nung na-feature namin last week. But this one's a little bigger. The lot area of this house is 132 square meters with a floor area of more or less 278. Nandito po tayo sa ating front part or front lawn. Actually, hindi siya lawn pala kasi sementado siya. Meron ka ng tiles. Pero you can convert this into a garden if you wanted to para medyo magkaroon ng additional life sa ating bahay. Then this is our main door, but before going inside, we have a 2 covered car garage dito. Kasya po ang pickup tsaka van. That's sure kasi naka-van po ako. So kasya po dito yon, dalawa. And then, meron po tayong pathway dito papunta sa ating service area. Pero mamaya na po natin yan puntahan. Let's go to the main door first. For our main door, wala ka nang po problemahin kasi covered na to. Part na ng covered area. So, hindi na at risk mabasa ang ating main door. Yan, pasok po. So, pagpasok natin, this is our living area. Double height ceiling din. Kung mapansin nyo, kung napanood nyo last week, yan yung pagkakapareho nila. Meron tayong double height ceiling which adds a lot of space sa ating property. Kasi pag ganyan kataas yung ceiling mo, medyo mas maluwag yung pakiramdam. Most likely, dito po tayo maglalagay ng TV on this side. And then, meron tayong double height ceiling na windows. Openable windows din to. Ayan, you can open it. Tapos meron namang screen door. Ayan. Kung medyo nagtitipid kayo sa AC, di ba? Pwedeng ganyan. And then, dito ang ating couch. L-type or U-type couch dito. Plus, pag meron papasok, hindi kailangan dumaan sa harap nung nanonood. Di ba? Minsan meron kasing ganung setup ng bahay. So, isarado ko lang to. Yan. And then, meron pa tayong more on ano to? More on off-white tsaka wood. Dark wood naman ang ating kumbaga, color palette. Unlike yung last house tour namin, medyo lighter wood yung ginamit nila. This one naman, medyo darker siya. So, meron kasing magkakaibang gusto, di ba? Yung iba gusto yung ganito, darker wood. Iba, lighter wood. So, coming from our big living area, ayan, actually, ang haba ng living area mo, siguro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's about 5.5 meters by 2 meters, 2.5 meters. So, luwag. Living area mo pa lang, more or less, mga 15 square meters ka na. This is your, coming from the living area, this is your dining area. Meron na rin tayong decorative lighting para sa ating rectangular na siguro 8-seater dining table dito. Ganda. Then, yan, buksan lang natin tong sliding glass door para may hangin tayo. So, the dining area is very spacious as well. And then you also have a lanay area dito sa likuran. May open part lang siya kasi yung likuran mo. Ayan. So, pwede nyo rin naman palagyan yan ng canopy. This goes to the service area. Pero sa kitchen, meron pa rin tayong service door. Ayan. So, coming from our dining area, this is our kitchen na meron na ring center island. Pero before going here, ito ang ating refrigerator. So, the ref, hindi kasya dito yung side-by-side na ref. Pero, yung mga 6 foot na, alam mo yun, medyo bigger na 2-door or single-door na ref, kasya po dito. Kagandahan lang with the trademark of the house that we've toured last week tsaka this week, makikita nyo napakarami rin cabinets niyan. Diba? Pati dito sa ilalim ng ating center island. Although the big difference lang is yung center island mo nakaharap doon sa dining. Ito medyo hindi kasi ubra na nakaharap siya. So medyo sideways yung peg natin. And then iba rin ang color palette, more on white naman ang ating kitchen. You also have these sliding windows para kung meron kang service kitchen sa labas magluluto, dito na lang iaabot ang ating food. L-type din yung kitchen natin, same as yung house na na-feature namin last week. Pero ang kagandahan sa kanya, meron na siyang Lagermania 4-burner cooktop and Lagermania na, ang tawag dito? Exhaust. Yan. Ang kagandahan dyan, it's a very nice quality and a little, nandun siya sa medyo expensive side yung Lagermania. So magandang brand po yan. Hindi nyo na siya kailangan palitan. Yan. So, yun. Aside from that, ito yung ating pwedeng breakfast nook. So, kung dyan nagluluto, may service kitchen ka outside, if you have kids who goes to school every day, ito yung kanilang quickie breakfast nook. Mabilisan. Usually sa umaga, di ba? Mabilisan lang. So, nandito tayo sa service area. Meron tayong storage dito. Wala lang siyang ang tawag dito, door. Pero this is your storage under the staircase. Meron naman yung ilaw. O, diba? Maluwag pa rin siya. And then, ito po ang ating laundry area. Pwede natin dito yung ilagay yung washer and dryer. Palagyan nyo lang ng canopy para at least kahit ngayon maulan, hindi nababasa yung washer and dryer nyo. You also have the water pump dito kasi hanggang 3rd floor tayo para at least regulated pa rin yung pressure up to the 3rd floor. Before heading upstairs, pakita ko muna, meron tayong first toilet and bath dito sa ating 1st floor. Very basic pero maganda naman yung pagka-finish sa kanya. White. And then you have your sink and faucet, the lavatory, sarado ko lang. And then you have a shower here. So, medyo mababa siya kasi this is under the staircase. Pero I'm 5'6" plus few inches, siguro hanggang mga 5'9", pwede maligo dito. 5'8", 5'9". Na comfortably. Kung usual height ka lang ng Pilipino, pwede dito. Kaya lang yung videographer natin, si BJ, 6-footer yan eh. So, hindi pwede dito yan. Welcome to our 2nd floor. Ang ganda kasi meron pa tayong parang lounge area dito na naka-overlook doon sa ating living area. So, kung may bisita kayo, galing kay master bedroom, pwede mo muna silipin. Kung pinagtatagoan mo yung tropa mo or yung kaibigan mo, di ba? Yan. So, going to our first bedroom. Kung napanood nyo po yung last week's episode, halos ganito rin talaga yung size niya. There's a few differences pero karamihan, halos pareho rin ang layout. The size of the bedrooms are, kumbaga, pretty much the same. You have a provision for a window type AC here. You have 2 windows on your left side and then another big sliding window sa inyong right side. Buksan ko lang para mahangin. And then, meron tayong closet for your kids. Most likely, this is gonna be your kids' room. And then, pwedeng dito yung vanity area natin. If you want to put a vanity area, pwede dito yun. Or study area, kung mga estudyante po ang ating mga anak. Coming from our first bedroom, this is our common toilet and bath. Yan. So, kumpleto na rin with lavatory, sink and faucet. And then you have the shower area with niche and a provision for water heater. And of course, meron din ito. Kung napanood nyo nga last week, halos kapareho talaga siya. Pero ibang color palette naman. Meron kang closable na dito, sliding glass, kumbaga shower enclosure. Coming from our first toilet and bath, ito yung second bedroom natin. Oh. Yan. So, dito mas limited ang ating windows pero malaki naman siya. Sliding windows here. And then most likely, the bed will be here. Yung nabanggit ko rin last time, you can look for yung kumbaga symmetrical na power supply kasi usually dyan nagsa-side table, although medyo tight on this side. So most likely nandito yung bed nyo and then meron ka lang side table dito. Then you have a provision for window type AC. Ba't nga ba nagiging window type AC or split type AC? Yung ibang builders kasi what they do kapag hindi naman nakikita sa facade ng property, they opt to prepare a window type AC kasi medyo mas mura pa rin yung window type compared mo sa split type. Pero a lot of houses nowadays are really using split type AC. Yung mga abang nila is for split type AC. Meron din tayong, of course, the closet. That's the same as the first bedroom. Ayan. Welcome to our master bedroom. Ayan. Ito maluwag. This is a really, kumbaga, decent size master bedroom. Okay, so, yan, malamang dito ang ating bed. Yan, dito ang ating, kahit California king size bed, kasya po dito. Tapos dito yung, kung maglalagay kayo ng extra closet, pwede rin naman. Or, vanity area dito yon. Then you also have your balcony. Mamaya natin puntahan yan. And then, meron kayong walk-in closet. Actually, yung gulo. Dapat pinuntahan muna natin ang ating balcony. Sorry. My bad. Uy, ang luwag. So, this is our balcony. Very spacious. Size is about 1 meter. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uy! 1 by 6. Di 6 square meters din to. Meron pa dito. Actually, meron pa dito. Nakakatuwa din. Kung meron kayong hobby like biking, di ba? Kailangan nyo ng mga bike rack. Pwede dito yon. Tsaka safe pati kasi hindi masyadong mainit sa mata. Hindi kita. Tapos nasa second floor. Kumbaga, dito mo na lang siya. I-secure mo na lang with a canopy para hindi nababasa ang inyong precious bikes or kung ano man yung hilig nyo, pwede itong parang storage area pa. Coming from the balcony, this is our walk-in closet. So, ang advantage of the walk-in closet, meron ka na full-size mirror dito, full-body mirror siya. So, syempre, pag nag-aayos kayo, bukod sa vanity area ng wife nyo, ang laking bagay na ito kasi dito pa lang, outfit check ka na. Tito Mikey! Follower mo ako, Tito Mikey. So, outfit check. Yan. Aside from that, ito ang ating master toilet and bath. Ayan. Master's toilet and bath natin. Meron na rin tayong sink and faucet, the lavatory, and then, of course, a shower with a shower enclosure. Dilaw lang yung gamit nilang lights, kaya medyo feeling mo madilim. Pero pag pinalitan mo yan ng white, mas magiging mukhang spacious ang ating toilet and bath. Of course, meron pa rin tayong niche and then a provision for the water heater. The master's toilet and bath is not too big, pero kasi extension mo naman ang iyong walk-in closet and of course your master's bedroom na napaka-luwag. Welcome to our third floor. Let's check the fourth bedroom first. Ayan. Liwanag na rin ito. So this is the fourth bedroom. Identical siya halos nung ating nasa second floor. The size, the windows, and then the window type AC. And then of course, ito pare-pareho naman talaga ang ating closet. So very spacious. Ang daming bedrooms na itong property na to. So if you're a big family, maganda rin po itong option for you. And then this is our common toilet and bath. Oh, darker. It's nice. medyo manly yung finishes natin. Ang ganda. Darker gray. And then pareho naman yung mga nakakabit na fixture sa ating toilet and bath. Nag-iba lang yung color palette ng ating toilet and bath. Pero pareho yung mga features niya or yung mga fixtures niya. And then this is our 5th bedroom. Uy, ang laki na to. Surprisingly. Sorry po, nabigla ako. Ang laki po ng kwarto. I didn't expect na. Ayan. So, eto po, kung gagawin nyo siyang kwarto, pwede rin. Pero, this can be a family room. Ang gandang family room po nito. It can also be a playroom if you have smaller kids. Luwag nito. Siguro mga 4 by 5. Mga 20 square meters. This area pa lang, more or less. Ganda. You have the closet here, but if you don't need the closet, if you're not gonna use this as a bedroom, nagagalaw naman to. So, pwede natin tanggalin to, ma-maximize nyo as family area or play area tong buong 5th bedroom. Then you also have the sliding windows here. Isang ko lang para pumasok ang hangin. Ayan, medyo malamig na. Salamat po. And then you also have the provision for a window type AC. Ang laki po nitong kwarto na to. So, it's up to your, kumbaga, creativity, how you can maximize this big room. Dalawang pinto, huwag kayong malilito. Yung isa dyan sa ating balcony. Yung isa sa ating 6th and final bedroom. Which can also be your home office. Ang ganda rin itong home office. Kaya lang, katabi siya ng balcony. So, not sure if this really a good idea na mag-office dito. Pero nasa sa inyo pa rin naman siya. You have the windows here. And then, kung mag-bed kayo dito, ang gagawin yung bedroom, headboard will be here. And then, palit kami. You have a sliding glass door going to your covered balcony. O, diba? Ganda. Halos kapareho rin talaga ng layout nung na-shoot namin or yung pinakita namin sa inyo last week. Kasi covered din yung balcony mo, so usable din siya any weather. Huwag lang yung sobrang bagyo ha, syempre papasok pa rin yung tubig. Pero ang kagandahan dito, most of it or 90% of the balcony is already covered. Tapos meron ka ring turf grass na medyo mas maluwag. Kung gusto nyo mag-golf sa bahay, pag hindi kayo nakakapunta sa golf course, pwede dito. Ano, maglagay ka lang ng pot ba yun? Yung hole? Ayun, galing. Galing nung namin, videographer talaga. Pogi pa yan. So, this is our 3rd floor balcony family area. Pwede siyang indoor-outdoor guys. So, pwedeng gawin nyo ng isang buong family area to kasama yung 6th bedroom natin. Ang ganda rin nun. Lagyan nyo lang ng overhead projector. Nagmo-movie marathon kayo or nagne-Netflix and chill. Nakabukas yan. Meron kayong couch dito, meron kayong dining area dito. Diba? Life's good! Quick recap lang tayo guys for this amazing modern 6-bedroom home here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So the lot area for this property is 132 square meters and floor area is about 278 more or less. It has 6 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, 2 car garage, and this double height ceiling na living area. So the original asking price for this property is 22 million pesos, but now it was repriced to 19.5 million pesos. But the best part is mga 250, at least 250,000 lang po ang required down payment natin for this amazing property. So para lang po kayo nagre-renta sa sarili nyong bahay. If you have further questions, please contact us on the number below. You can also reach us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. Sobrang active na po namin sa TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. Almost every day po kami nag-upload ng new videos, not just houses, but also our daily dealings with our clients. So if you have more questions or kung meron kayong mga gusto matutunan, you can go to our TikTok and Instagram page to check it out. So, marami pong salamat and see you on the next one. God bless. Bye!